2-in-1 3D UV DTF printer, offering 2 different printing solutions for both soft fabrics and hard substrates. Choose the solution you prefer and pair it with specialized inks and films to achieve exceptional results. To achieve a raised 3D texture, it combines 3D soft UV DTF ink with a TPU-based 3D UV DTF film, producing a logo patch that is both durable and wash-resistant for use on most materials. After printing, use a cutter to create your custom 3D UV DTF logo patches. Then, using a top and bottom dual control heat press to transfer the patch onto garment. These patches are perfect for personalizing jerseys, t-shirts, caps, bags, teamwear, sportswear, and more. The Epson i3200 UON UV provides high productivity and high image quality with 600 dpi high-density resolution. It comes with a liquid level switch that alerts you when it is time to pour out waste. With an adjustable vacuum suction platform, the film adheres firmly to the platform, ensuring a smooth printing process. The built-in peristaltic pump reduces the risk of print head clogging, extends the print head service life, and ensures stable printing. We also have the industrial-grade model, P60, a 3D UV DTF printer equipped with 3 Epson print heads to deliver greater stability and faster print speeds.